you can't sit on your ranking or whatever and think you got it locked in. This is the UFC.
I just want to go to war now, man.
Just ready to get this party going.
Don't go talking smack and thinking that nothing will happen.
This is home for us, and it's time for us to shine in front of our family and friends. This is our backyard.
You guys only see what happens for you to see. You don't know what happens behind the scenes. That's,
Welcome to Fresh here at UFC 293 in Sydney.
And everything I do it to be the best at it.
Cool, just got my bag now.
Work hard, don't
All
complain.
set to go.
Take it in, and give it all out.
Just at the open workout, seeing him do his thing, and now we're ready for Sunday, man. Ready to see him knock some people out. It's gonna be great, man. I cannot wait. Adesanya all day, let's go.
Kia ora Freshies, we're here at the UFC Fan Experience.
You know, back in the day, we was jamming.
Hi, I'm Betty.
I'm Tissa.
And we're at the Kudos Bank Arena.
It's Provise here, crowd goes wild, but you might know me from other things. I'm here in Sydney, Australia, here for 293 UFC to see Adesanya take on Strickland. Put your heel up and square up, baby, let's go. Woo! Boys, Tuivasa.
Number one.
Tuivasa. Show us your hook, bro, Tuivasa hook.
Oh, you can! Perfect.
I want to see he drink the shoot.
Take it off, bro.
Tuivasa. Number one.
Hey, can I hola? Tafa! Tuivasa fans here? Oh, sad who? Yeah, my man right here. Oh, you guys missed out your opportunity to get on TV, man. Too shy. Anyway, bro, huge Tuivasa fan?
Yeah, huge one. Wanna just say he's kind of my brother.
He is your brother.
Yeah.
I know if I can see your hook, bro, go for it. Show me. Oh, yep, that's a Tuivasa. That's a Tuivasa hook right here. Check them knuckles out. That's Tuivasa knuckles right there. That's some Tuivasa knucks.
My favourite thing at the Fan Experience is the UFC Champion, where you get to have the UFC belt. You can create a moment, upload it straight to your phone, put it out there for everyone to see. And my favourite UFC fighter is actually just behind me over there, Kai Carter France. He's doing his meet and greet at the UFC Fan Experience. But I got to say, I love and support all our Kiwis and also all our Aussie boys, especially the ones that are on the card.
Oh, we drove up from Wollongong to come see the boys, so sitting out here, nice and chilly. It's all worth it. It's all worth it. Pumped.
Supporting all the fighters across Australia and New Zealand, especially all the Hollies. My favourite fighter, Bam Bam, Tuivasa and the Tafa boys.
Favourite fighter is Israel, king of the monsters.
You know what? I'm looking forward to Izzy. We've got a lot of Samoan fighters on the card right now. Do you know any chance you know any Samoan words, my bro?
No, because I'm Fijian, Bulla, bro.
How you going, everybody out there? I'm Dave, mate, here. I don't know why, mate, but I've just been starting to speak like this. And then I take it off and I talk like the bro.
Oh, it's the Tafa gang t-shirts. I'm wearing Junior's one. And yeah, we're here supporting Justin. He's our cousin.
I've been forward in Sydney since like St Mary's Band Club, so I think it's really cool. It's got a bit of nostalgia coming back now. It's just cool what we're all doing for the area. I think, we're just showing a bunch of kids that you can do something.
The waves will begin. Hello, Sydney!
I tried to warn you. I tried to warn you. I am not a gimmick, I'm a savage. Put you flat on your back like a mattress. Very important, asterisk. That mean I'm a star, no Patrick. Put you in your feelings, I'm passionate. When I get the ball, I ain't passing it. Just the ball, I ain't passing it.
Representing our culture, it means a lot. We've had many other Samoans come out to the combat sport and represent, and now here we are on the UFC stage representing Samoa. We're on fire. We're beaming.
I feel like it's my responsibility now to do the best I can, so the next coming fighters coming through, you know, they see the trajectory of fighting now, and guys like Max Holloway too are Samoan, you know, he's been a champion. Next thing you know, there'll be multiple division Samoan champions.
It's pretty special that what we're doing. Starting to realise that there's a lot of kids looking up to us, so just showing them that if you bust your ass, dream big and put in 100%, that you can do anything.
I always represent where I'm from and who I am, and to do it with my Usos is very important and very good for our little small island of Samoa. Very proud.
That's it for us, guys, here at UFC 293. Until next time, keep it fresh.
I'll just say Ofatu, all my tocos. Mwah. Spread love. That's what a real mob do.